here we are back on it. So in the last video we were doing all these points here at the top and on the top ones there, and what I've been doing off camera is putting that plate in there, bolting that in here to the leg. Also done this bit here. So what I'm going to do is put a bar across there straight, and then onto this bit here. Then I have some other pieces of box section coming down here, we're attached to this bit here, welded up. So I'm going to weld that bit in there, so that'll be all secure and solid, and then I'll just carry on really doing other bits as we go. But I'm going to show you getting all these in now, and we'll go from there. So there you go, all welded in now, nice and secure. These are where the posts are going to go, so I use that box section there because it's slightly thicker for the front main ones each side. I'll put one over there. I'm going to put another one in there and one in there, welded onto this corner, so when it's on the jig it's all nice and strong and fixed to that point. So then when I take these out, there's no movement in this bit because that'll be fixed to the jig. A lot more to do still. I've got these on, they're all ready to go on, but I'll probably have to move them out a bit because I've got to put the jig back underneath. As you see, I've been rained off again. So the plan is now I'm going to just get this welded up underneath. I'll do that bit off camera. I've got some other bits I want to do off camera, and I'll come back and hopefully get the back bits done as well, the box section to the back actual points, get them bolted on, and then hopefully I can get it all welded, start getting it welded onto the other jig, and then once that's done, then the fun starts. So we'll come back in a minute and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Right, okay, we've got these posts put in, bolted to these, that's all lined up, the other side's done all that as well. I've done the front. Oh, a bit of a tight squeeze down here now. There's not much room in there, it's got the car in the middle. So this bit's done up here. So I've done all this. It's not welded in yet, but it's all there, all in line, everything's all nice. So I'm going to put another post here coming down to here, and then obviously these bits will be welded to this bar, and then other bits will be welded to different bars. And then this post here, I have a box section on this bit here welded onto another piece of metal that goes across the jig, and then that will secure these posts in place. They won't move, hopefully. I've got next, I'll be doing this, these bits down here, as you can see, they will be welded through the car. They come up about here, can't really see it very well, come up about here, and then that bar will be welded to that middle section, and then welded to this bit as well, to keep the whole thing from twisting and stuff like that. So yeah, it's looking good. It's a bit of a mission. There's not much room in there to work around, but I should be fine once I get the all these brackets back off, once I've got everything in place, and then I can start pretty much chopping the whole thing out really, and then we can get all the new bits in. So yeah, what we do now is we'll get this welded up, and then we'll get all the other bits done as well. Right, let's go. So that is all done. I've welded all that in to this bar here way across. I've finished up here on the back of these off camera because it's just too tricky to get in there with the camera. So yeah, so I've done all this bit at the back. All these bits are done. There's a bit of weld on there, but that's all secure. It's all bolted up there, both sides. So that's all on there now. Everything's on there. I've done these 2 bits in the middle, gone across there, welded all that up, which come through here, as you can see, for the floor, because that's all got to be cut out anyway, so I'm not really worried about that. This whole bit's got to be cut out, and the other side. That's all nice and secure now. That'll keep it all in line. You see down there. I'm probably going to take this bit out because I need to get inside at some point to cut some of this chassis away at the back here. So the reason that's why I've made these a lot higher, so I can put maybe across the middle there to round in between the window, which I hope that will secure it even more, because when I take them legs out, that's not going to make much there as such. But as I say, I'm going to put some box section on these door pins, weld them to these brackets to keep it nice and secure, and then put a bar across the middle to keep, when I take the legs out, that will keep that all in place. This I'll probably put a bar maybe across here to there, just so nothing moves. I maybe put another bar, maybe another box section down here, just to make sure that doesn't move, but I don't think that'd be too much of a problem really, to be honest. So but yeah, anyway, so what I'm going to do now is get these other bits in, down into here, welded in, and that bit there down, and a bar across, and then we're pretty much there really. And then it's pretty much just start taking things apart. But to get this bit done first, that's the most important bit. And then obviously we've got to get this jig taken off. Still got to take the other jig off. So once them bits are done, I'll come and take this jig off, and then yeah, we're getting there. It took me a while, but it's getting there. But yeah, so let's go. Well, there you go. Got these all of these there cut up and ready to weld in, so they're all done. I'm going to put this bar across here to weld to the jig, and then I'll weld these bits to these rest of these brackets. And what I'm thinking is doing something like this, having these bits on here, and I'm going to weld, can't really see with because of the sun, weld these bolts to this bar down here and here, and then I'll put a bar down, put across underneath, so that secures all this bit. So then when I finish with it, I can cut that bit off the bottom here, and then I can just slide these out, not a problem. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just get these welded up now, and then let's do it. So there you go, all off. I did all the other jigs off now. As you can see, it's down there. Can't remove that bar for some reason, I can't get it out, but surely I'll do that. So yeah, we've done it all. That's all in there. As you can see, I've run out of gas, so I can't finish off welding all these bits in, but I've tacked them all in place. Just had enough gas to do that. That's all in there, as you can see there, it goes up on that post. That's secure. I'm really pleased with that, quite right really. And I've just realised I've missed a bit. So I'll get that all done on the next video. There should be another bar coming down here, which comes across, but what I'm going to do, instead of putting another piece of box section across, I'm going to just come from here at an angle and then weld it to this bit here, because that'll probably be easier, and that won't be in the way of me getting in this gap here, because there's not going to be much room getting in there, so I'm going to have to try and get in there to get all the spot welds out, to get all that lower cross member off. But yeah, I'm really pleased with it actually. It's quite really well. It took me a while, but I've done it. So yeah, so I'll crack on with all this on the next video. But, come around here, you can see this bit I've done. As you can see, I've already shown you this bit, but that's all in. I thought it was going to, he fell over then, brilliant. I thought it was going to do a wheelie, but that's actually, I've been hanging on the back end and it actually doesn't move, so I'm happy with that. So yeah, all done. So thanks for coming back. This is the end of this one. We're going to get all that lower cross member off and the legs and that off the next one, start getting all the spot welds all drilled out, and hopefully we'll get all that bit off, and then we can start having some fun and getting all that the new panels back in. And yeah, can't wait. I've been waiting for this bit for a long time, so we'll get that bit done in the next one. Thank you for all your support. I haven't given up. I've just been doing a lot of stuff. It's been a bit slow getting the videos out, this one, but this took quite a while getting all this bit done. It's a bit of a mission, to be honest. So thanks again, Dave, for supporting me on Buy Me a Coffee. Thank you very much for that. Like and subscribe, get yourself involved, and you know I'll see you next time. Let's go.